Whether it's from heavy use or weather, no pool owner wants a cloudy water. So we've got ways to help bring back your pool's sparkle and shine. At HTH, we don't want the weather or anything else to rain on your pool party. While we can't control the rain, we can help prevent it from making your water cloudy. Let's tackle the issue and get your pool crystal clear again.
I notice it's been a little hazy for a while now. What do I need to do to make it right?
Well, cloudy water can be from a dirty filter, low pump run time, or chemical imbalances like high pH or no sanitizer.
I haven't tested it recently. What do I need to do?
Let's test your water now. These are the HTH test strips, and they're so quick and easy to use. You can check chlorine and pH and make sure that they are in balance.
Are they supposed to be in balance? And what do I do if they are in balance and it's still cloudy?
Cloudiness, it's usually due to tiny particles that are too small for the filter to pick up. So it could be from heavy use or even environmental factors.
That makes sense. We did have a big storm last week and the kids were in the pool for hours.
That could be it. It could also be a dirty filter or not running the pump long enough.
Oh, I run my pump for a couple hours a day, but maybe it needs to be longer.
Yes, exactly. A longer runtime helps the filter to do its job. And, well, speaking of filters, it's important to make sure that they're always nice and clean.
I cleaned it last week, but I wasn't sure if I did it right.
Okay, well, let's look at it. If you can see the bottom of the pool, then you're going to use a clarifier. If you can't see the bottom, then you're going to need to use a flocculant. For the HTH clarifier, just dilute it in a bucket of pool water. Pour it around the edges and add some of the skimmer. Run the pump until the pool clears and repeat if needed. For the HTH flocculant, turn your multi-port valve to recirculate, add the product to the pool, and run the pump for a couple of hours. Then let it sit overnight, and the next day, vacuum the debris to waste.
I think I have a much better handle on things now. If I can see the bottom of the pool, use the clarifier. If I can't see the bottom of the pool, use the flocculant.
Exactly. And once your pool is clear again, make sure you're following a regular care routine. A little regular care goes a long way to keeping your pool water safe, clear, and ready for your next adventure in the pool. For more tips and tools, visit hthpools.com or our website, designingspaces.tv.